ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇವತ್ತು 49th ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಏಷ್ಯಾ ಜ್ಯೂವೆಲ್ಸ್ 2023 ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನಾಗ್ಯುರೇಟೆಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಟ್, ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಿಗ್ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Why? Because it has jewelers from all over the country, more than 30 jewelers, small jewelers, new jewelers, very very interesting jewelry, including big jewelry also, with under one roof at Shangri-La. And idu inauguration ivatagide, and ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ that I've been a part of something like this. This is not my first time. I've had a very long association with Harish ji and Asia Jewels, so very happy to be back and to be inaugurating this. And this exhibition is taking place today, tomorrow and on Monday, so ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬನ್ನಿ. I think that ಒಂದು Asia Jewels ಅಲ್ಲಿ speciality ಏನಂದ್ರೆ that they bring all the unique jewelers together under one roof, and for a person who's doing jewelry shopping for a wedding, for any special occasion, I think 5 ಜಾಗ 10 ಜಾಗ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಂದೇ under one roof ಬಂದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I think it's a great thing. So congratulations Harish ji.